Are you a pharmacy student, intern, or a qualified pharmacist looking to take your career to the next level in Australia? Then mark your calendars for the Pharmacy Careers Summit 2025, the must-attend virtual event of the year. Welcome to Elite Expertise, your dedicated partner in conquering your pharmacy career goals. In this video, we'll show you why PCS 25 is crucial and how Elite Expertise can be your key to success at the summit. Following the incredible success of 2024, the Pharmacy Careers Summit is back, bigger and better for 2025. This free virtual event on July 4th is your unparalleled opportunity to connect with leaders from the Pharmacy Guild of Australia, the Pharmaceutical Society of Australia, the Australian Pharmacy Council, and major pharmacies like Chemist Warehouse, Priceline Pharmacy, Terry White Chemart, and many more. Discover intern roles, pharmacist positions, and ownership opportunities. Learn about market trends from Raven's recruitment and job search strategies from Seek, who is also one of the recruiters. Prepare for insights from over 50 speakers on career development, rural pharmacy, new career paths, and the future of pharmacy with Anne's Cap. The virtual trade exhibition is your direct line to connect with Australia's leading pharmacy employers. Elite Expertise is thrilled to be exhibiting again at the Pharmacy Careers Summit 2025. Visit our virtual booth to learn how we can help you with career coaching and professional development. We're dedicated to empowering your pharmacy career in Australia. Stop by the Elite Expertise virtual booth to chat with our team and discover how we can support your journey. Elite Expertise is an online education platform committed to empowering aspiring pharmacists worldwide through high-quality education and practice-oriented training. We offer expert preparation for licensure exams such as the OPRA exam, Australia and New Zealand, PEBC exam, Canada, and PSI exam, Ireland, along with specialized training for Australian pharmacist intern oral and intern written exams. Our mission is to equip pharmacists with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to succeed in exams and excel in their professional careers across Australia, Canada, Ireland, and New Zealand. Earn CPD credits by attending the Pharmacy Careers Summit. Yes, you heard that right. Earn up to 3 hours of CPD credits through this event, designed to enhance your professional practice and support your career growth. Ideal for pharmacists at any stage of their journey. Don't miss out on this incredible free event on July 4th, 2025. Register now and be sure to visit the Elite Expertise virtual booth to connect with us and explore how we can help you thrive. We look forward to seeing you there. Like, share, and let us know your questions in the comments. Your future in Australian pharmacy starts at the Pharmacy Careers Summit 2025. See you there.